Gentlemen, this is a group question. The last time a group of South Africans tried to have a braai in Ireland, it didn't go too well. Have you managed to keep all the players away from flammable liquids the last few weeks?
Are you referring to the Brian Limerick?
Yes.
Jan, I think we'll be braaiing tonight, so we can talk tomorrow.
So what are you braaiing with? That's the first thing, because the wood there, I believe, is not very dry.
It's very wet. There's actually we're staying for this week. We're not in city centre Dublin. We don't even know where it's called. We're about 20-30 minutes away, and we're right next to a little mall. And there's actually a slaghuis in there, the butcher shop in there with meat and charcoal and all of that. So we're going to try and braai tonight.
Are you going to call it a braai if you don't braai with wood?
It's an occasion where we can eat meat and spend good time together. It's a barbecue.
Dankie manne, geniet die braai en charcoal is in elk geval beter as gas.
Ja, nou braai jy.